Developed in the 17th century along the famed Tokaido route, Shibori is still produced and admired 400 years later. Much of the town too retains that traditional samurai-era atmosphere of long ago. Shibori has been passed down as the pride of the people. It's celebrated in the festival held every June. And the popular Arimatsu Float Festival, held every year in October. These festivals allow visitors to see and experience the culture of Arimatsu's fine craftsmanship. Shibori is a traditional Japanese tie-dyeing technique unique to Arimatsu. Visitors can meet the traditional craftsmen, learn the basics, and try their hand at creating their own piece of shibori. The over 100 different shibori techniques of binding, sewing, and folding produces a variety of stunning and unique patterns. The beauty appears like magic the moment the intricate shibori patterns are revealed. Experience it for yourself to truly understand the mastery of the traditional craftsman. Discover the beautiful, natural, and mysterious power of indigo blue. Experience Arimatsu Blue Magic Shibori in the Nagoya region's traditional Arimatsu. Arimatsu Blue Magic Shibori.